What is up, you guys? So today I want to go take pictures of this top that I made a pattern to outside. Now that's going to be my first time doing that, and I want to do the intro outside and everything because I'm just trying to switch things up. And you know, you gotta do new things to get new results. So I'm gonna try to pack a bag, bring the equipment. We're gonna have the baby with us, so we never tried this, never did this. We're gonna see what happens. I don't know. Finished filming, still in Central Park. It's crazy, like when you born and raised here in New York, you sometimes don't tour your city. And of course I've been in Central Park plenty of times. I went to middle school down here. That's actually where me and my boyfriend met at. And I've been to like that side around the 100th Street area. Now I've been to 59th Street area, but it's just so big. It's so many parts of Central Park I never been in, which is crazy. We ran into mad waterfalls, wildlife, deers, raccoons. No, I'm just kidding. But still, just so many things, and I'm starving now. Hopefully we can get something to eat. Feed me.
Sure thing, babe. Whatever you want.
That was so fake. we are home. Of course, it's like 10 something. And you know, when the scarf is on, we in for the night. That's it. Daddy. I'm just trying to plan some content right now, and I am struggling. It's mainly with the time. I don't know if y'all know, but I'm a full-time stay-at-home mom. And it is the hardest thing I ever did in my life. Mentally, physically demanding. But at the same time, I love it. I love being home with my son. Now I'm trying to be, not trying, I'm doing. Period. I'm doing. Being a full-time stay-at-home mom, and then trying to build content, create content, and then keep up with the just multiple platforms, which can really help me expand the business. And also I plan on having my website hopefully by the end of the year or next year, and have a blog and selling patterns, and it's just really overwhelming, and I'm trying to not overthink it, because the whole thing is I love to create, and that's what makes me happy. So I'm just writing down just a couple of things. Let me see. This is like the worst angle. I'm in my kitchen, but just writing like the vlog and this, that, another. And I'm gonna just jot down some notes to go with it. So this is the month of August. I have so many videos that need to be edited, and that's why I'm like, I'm not ready to hire a editor yet whatsoever, because I'm still learning editing myself. Like, I need to know these things first before I hire someone to do it. You get what I'm saying? I'm just that kind of person. Like, I want to know a little bit more than the basics, the ins and outs, you know what I'm saying? Before I just give off everything, all my footage and things like that. But how do y'all balance, for the content creators and the entrepreneurs, how do y'all balance work, family, life, household? It's just a little overwhelming. That's why y'all see I take so many breaks, because mentally, your girl was losing it. I was losing it. And just even thinking about it is getting me dehydrated. But yeah. Comment below, how do y'all do it? Like, what is y'all strategies or something? Help your girl out. I watch a ton of videos, but about people that create content and all of that. But first of all, a lot of them don't have kids, so that's a big part. And a portion of them do have kids and families, and they batch create, and I sometimes don't even have time to do that, So your girl's just trying to figure it out like everybody else. So no matter where you at in life, it's okay. We're all trying to figure something out. I think sometimes we get so caught up in what society say and where we're supposed to be at a certain age, and do what makes you happy and what brings you peace. That is mother freaking key, okay? Do what makes you happy and bring you peace. I remember just getting caught up in a job for years that did not bring me peace, that really was breaking my spirit, breaking me down mentally, physically, and all of that, just because it had its ups. When it was up, it was stuck. Believe that. But when it was down, it was the worst thing ever. And now looking back, it's just like, if I was just creating content and just creating period, and wasn't worried so much about the financial aspect of it, I would have been way happier. I would have been doing this years ago. But I definitely believe in alignment and timing, and this is the time. So that's my story. And share if you have any similar experiences below. And I'll see you in my next video. See you in my next video. Bye.